Okay, now we're going to learn how to break a number up into its prime factors. In other words, what times what comes to that number, and it's always going to be the prime factors, the numbers at the bottom of the pyramid that are primes, like 2's a prime, 3's a prime, 5's a prime, 7's a prime. We're going to break them up into those, okay? So let us look at how it works. It's very easy. Now that you know what prime numbers are, we always start dividing the number by the smallest prime that can go into it. In this case, we can put 2 into 48. So 2 will go into 4 twice, and it'll go into 8 4 times, right? Now we continue. 2 will go into 24 as well, so we put a 2 outside here. 2 can go into that 2 once and into that 4 twice. Now we continue. 2 can go into 12 as well. It can go 6 times. Can 2 go into 6? Yes, it can. So we put a 2 there again. It can go into 6 3 times. Can 2 go into 3? No. So what's our next prime number up from 2? It would be 3. So we're going to, 3 can go into 3 once. So we're going to list our factors of 48. 48, our prime factors of 48 are going to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4 2's, 1, 2, 3, 4 2's, and 1, 3, there it is there. Those are the prime factors of 48. See how easy it is. Let's look at the next one. Let's do 36. Can 2 go into 36? Yes, it can. It goes into 3 once, remainder 1. It can go into 16 8 times. Okay. Now we're going to use 2 again because it can go into 18 9 times. But 2 can't go into 9, so we're going to try 3 next. 3 can go into 9 3 times. And 3 can go into itself once. You always bring it down to the lowest end when you're factorizing it. So now we can say, fine, the factors of 36 are equal to 2, that's that one there, times 2, that's that one there, times 3, that's that one there, times 3. We don't use the one at the bottom. Those are the factors of 36. Okay, now we're going to go do 24. We know 2 can go into 24. 2 goes into itself once and into 4 twice. 2 can go into 12 6 times. 2 can go into 6 3 times. 2 can't go into 3, but 3 can. 3 can go into itself once. Let's list our factors of 24. These are our prime factors. These are all prime numbers. You see that? The prime factors of 24 are 2 times, that's that 2 there, 2 times that 2 there, 2 times that 2 there's done. Okay, now times 3, which is that 3 there. Those are the prime factors of 24. Let's do 25. 2 can't go into 25, 3 can't go into 25. What's the next prime number that can go to 25? That'll be 5. 5 can go into 25 5 times. And 5 can go into itself once. That was easy factoring. The prime factors of 25 are 5 times, that's that 5 there, 5, which is that 5 there. Those are the prime factors of 25. 5 times 5. Okay. Now, let's move on. On this screen, there's 2. There's this number 40 that needs to be brought down to its prime factors, and that one is 18. So I want you to do these at home for good practice, and you can come back after you finish pressing pause, and then you press play, and we'll check the answers together. So off you go. You press pause, you do these, and then you come back and you press play. Right, so I assume you're back. Let's do number 40 first. We're going to put 2 in. We start at the bottom of the primes. 2 can go into 40. 2 goes into 4 twice and into 0 times. So, because we know 2 times 20 is 40. Now, 2 can go into 20. It can go into itself once and into 0 times. 2 times 10 is 20. 2 can go into 10 5 times. 3 can't go into 5, neither can 2, but 5 can go into 5. It's our next prime that we can use. 5 can go into 5 once. So the factors of 40, they are 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. I hope you got that. Then 18. 2 can go into 18 because 2 times 9 is 18. So 2 goes into 18 9 times. 2 can't go into 9, but 3 can. So we're going to put 3 in there. 3 times 3 is 9. So 3 goes into 9 3 times. And 3 can go into itself once. Let's list the factors of 18. The prime factors of 18 are 2 times 3 times 3. There you go. Did you get that right? Now I'm teaching you the skill because we're going to use this for greatest common factor, the more advanced version of that, as you evolve through this series. And you can see it's very easy to break these numbers up into their prime factors. See you in the next series, in the next lecture.